Oh, come on!
This Valentine's Day.
Sarah!
Mom, Dad, meet my new boyfriend.
A romantic comedy with a twist.
I can't believe we're finally going on our first vacation together.
Sorry, I just couldn't resist watching my dad on TV.
A love story between a woman and a robot.
Honey, are you sure that you want to be dating a robot?
Mom, I've never loved anyone more than I love him. Why don't you just find a normal boyfriend? Because no one has ever loved me the way he does.
Oh, I love that. Are you enjoying it too?
Yeah, but please don't touch my reset button.